Welcome back to the $25 Investor, the channel where we break down how small, consistent investments can quietly transform your financial future into something extraordinary. Let me ask you something. What if just $25 a week, less than what many people spend, on fast food or subscriptions could become the foundation of your long-term wealth? Not overnight, not through hype, but through discipline, time, and smart investing. Today, we are diving into a powerful company, Cadence Design Systems, also known by its ticker Cadence Design Systems. Now here is the idea. Most people think investing requires thousands of dollars to get started, but the truth is consistency beats size. When you invest $25 every single week, you are building a habit. And that habit, combined with a strong company and long-term growth, can lead to something much bigger than you expect. This channel is built on a simple philosophy. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Because time in the market matters far more than timing the market. So today, we are going to break everything down: what Cadence Design Systems is, why it matters, how it has performed, and most importantly, what your money could look like if you stay committed over years, even decades. And with that foundation in mind, let's begin by imagining how simple it is to start. Imagine starting your investment journey today with just $25 per week into Cadence Design Systems. That is only $1,300 per year. For many people, that feels manageable. It does not require a massive lifestyle change. It does not require perfect timing. It only requires your true and steady commitment. But here is where things get interesting. Cadence Design Systems is not just any company. It sits at the center of the technology ecosystem, powering the design of chips that go into smartphones, artificial intelligence systems, data centers, and autonomous vehicles. So when you invest in Cadence Design Systems, you are not just buying a stock. You are investing in the backbone of modern innovation. By contributing $25 every week, you are slowly building ownership in a company that grows alongside the global demand for computing power. And the key here is not how much you start with. The key is that you start and you keep going. Now, to truly understand the power of this investment, we need to understand what this company actually does and why it plays such a critical role in the world. Cadence Design Systems is a leader in electronic design automation, often called EDA. In simple terms, it creates software that engineers use to design advanced semiconductor chips. Think about companies like Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft. All of these companies rely on complex chips to power their products. But before those chips are manufactured, they must be designed with precision, and that is where Cadence Design Systems comes in. Without companies like Cadence, modern technology would not function at the level we see today. Why should you consider investing? First, Cadence Design Systems operates in a highly specialized industry with high barriers to entry. Not many companies can compete at this level. Second, as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and advanced electronics continue to grow, the demand for chip design software continues to rise. Third, Cadence Design Systems benefits from long-term contracts and recurring revenue, which creates stability. In short, Cadence Design Systems is not just riding the wave of technology, and it is helping create the wave. And once we understand its importance, the next step is to see how it has actually performed compared to the broader market. When comparing investments, it is important to look at long-term performance. The S&P 500, often tracked by the SPY ETF, has delivered approximately a 3-year growth rate of 20%, a 5-year growth rate of 13.65%, and a 10-year growth rate of 15.72%. Now let's compare that to Cadence Design Systems, which has delivered a 3-year growth rate of 13.31%, a 5-year growth rate of 16.13%, and a 10-year growth rate of 29.41%. Here is what stands out. In the short term, Cadence Design Systems may not always outperform, but over the long term, especially over 10 years, it has significantly outpaced the broader market. That is the power of investing in high-quality growth companies and giving them time. However, before we go deeper into projections and expectations, it is vital to pause and address an important note for all our viewers. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The examples and opinions shared in this video are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Now that we have that covered, let's return to the data and take a much closer look at the growth rates behind Cadence Design Systems. Over the past 3 years, Cadence Design Systems has grown at approximately 13.31% annually, reflecting steady performance. Over 5 years, the growth increases to 16.13%, showing acceleration. But over 10 years, the growth rate reaches 29.41%, which highlights the incredible reward for long-term investors. This reinforces one key idea: time in the market amplifies strong businesses. And with that understanding, let's now look at your actual contributions and what you are putting into this investment over time. If you invest $25 per week into Cadence Design Systems, your capital grows steadily through discipline alone. After 1 year, you have invested $1,300. After 5 years, $6,500. After 10 years, $13,000. After 15 years, $19,500. After 20 years, $26,000. After 25 years, $32,500. And after 30 years, $39,000. This is your total capital, your consistency, your commitment. But now comes the exciting part, what that capital can potentially become when growth is added. If you invest $25 a week into Cadence Design Systems, your money begins to compound. After 5 years, your $6,500 grows to $9,401. After 10 years, $13,000 grows to $53,642. After 15 years, $19,500 grows to $195,310. After 20 years, $26,000 grows to $437,160. After 25 years, $32,500 grows to $572,624. After 30 years, $36,725 grows to $635,208. This is the power of compounding, where your money starts working harder than you do. And what happens if you decide to increase your weekly investment? Now let's explore exactly what that looks like in our next breakdown. If you invest $50 a week, you are simply doubling your contribution, but the long-term impact is far greater. After 5 years, $13,000 grows to $18,803. After 10 years, $26,000 grows to $170,284. After 15 years, $39,000 grows to $390,620. After $52,000 grows to $874,321. After 25 years, $65,000 grows to $1,145,249. After 30 years, $73,450 grows to $1,270,417. Now let's take it one step further. At $100 per week, the numbers begin to scale dramatically. After 5 years, $26,000 grows to $37,607. After 10 years, $52,000 grows to $214,569. After 15 years, $78,000 grows to $781,240. After 20 years, $104,000 grows to $1,748,642. After 25 years, $130,000 grows to $2,290,498. After 30 years, $146,900 grows to $2,540,834. And if you continue increasing your investment, the results become even more powerful. So let's look at the impact of contributing $150 per week. After 5 years, $39,000 grows to $56,410. After 10 years, $78,000 grows to $321,854. After 15 years, $117,000 grows to $1,171,860. After 20 years, $156,000 grows to $2,622,963. After 25 years, $195,000 grows to $3,435,747. After 30 years, $220,350 grows to $3,811,251. And moving even higher, let's continue scaling our investment examples. Now imagine a contribution level at $200 per week. After 5 years, $52,000 grows to $75,214. After 10 years, $104,000 grows to $429,138. After 15 years, $156,000 grows to $1,562,481. After 20 years, $208,000 grows to $3,497,285. After 25 years, $260,000 grows to $4,580,996. After 30 years, $293,800 grows to $5,081,668. And now we can imagine pushing the potential of this strategy even further. Let's consider an investment of $250 per week. After 5 years, $65,000 grows to $94,018. After 10 years, $13,000 grows to $536,423. After 15 years, $195,000 grows to $1,953,101. After 20 years, $260,000 grows to $4,371,606. After 25 years, $325,000 grows to $5,726,245. After 30 years, $367,250 grows to $6,352,085. And finally, we've reached the highest level in our example today. Now, what if you were investing $300 per week? After 5 years, $78,000 grows to $112,821. After 10 years, $156,000 grows to $643,708. After 15 years, $234,000 grows to $2,343,721. After 20 years, $312,000 grows to $5,245,927. After 25 years, $390,000 grows to $6,871,494. After 30 years, $440,700 grows to $7,622,503. So after looking at all these numbers, what does all of this really mean for you? It means that investing just $25 a week into Cadence Design Systems can potentially change your financial future for the better. And that is not because of luck, but because of your consistency and the power of time. And as we've seen, if you increase your investment to $50, $100, or even $300 per week, the results can become truly life-changing. In the next video, we will explore other companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, Tesla, Amazon, and Alphabet, and compare which one could make you the most wealth, starting with just $25 a week. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you do not miss what comes next, because your future wealth might just start with $25 today. Thank you for watching.